What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel yet again. Fortunately, today we're going to be taking something off the white Jeep because I want to use it on the Wrangler. So let's go. I thought I was going to do some sick B-roll, some slow motion. No, I'm not, because someone has my memory cards. It's going to be a boring B is for build type video where just I talk for 2 minutes and I just time lapse. So get ready for that. I'll jump into what we're doing here in a second. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing today, I actually had a whole video filmed on this white Jeep, but I accidentally deleted the footage. A couple updates for it, a couple problems with it, but we'll do that later on. So, what we're going to be doing today is take the wheel spacers off the white Jeep because I'm going to put them on the Wrangler. I'm going to show y'all why I'm putting them on the Wrangler later on, but for now, let's start taking these off. Okay, so surprisingly, they came off pretty easily. They were a little stuck, but penetrating fluid got it out, so good to go. Let's take the front off now. I'm gonna clean these off before I put the wheels back on so I don't lose my bolts or my wheels. And then we'll throw these back on and we'll take the front off. And then we'll throw them on the Wrangler. Alright guys, well, we got them all off. Not surprised. That actually came off pretty easy. I had one fight me, but I got it. I'm probably gonna power wash them, clean them up a little bit, get the penetrating fluid off of them, and make them look nice to put on the Jeep. And I'm gonna show y'all why I'm putting them on the Jeep right now. This is why I'm putting them on the Jeep, on the Wrangler. New tires, baby. New tires. So this is why we're putting them on the Wrangler now. Got new tires. You can tell fitment is pretty weak. So we're gonna fix that right now. Still looks pretty aggressive. I want some better fitment. So we're gonna throw the spacers on here. So let me explain y'all the tires a little bit more. These are BF Goodrich, I think Ko2s, I believe. They are 33s. Got them off Facebook for 500 bucks. As you can tell if you can see in here, it's a pretty good amount of tread life left on them. Not too bad. I think the person lied, said it was 5,000 miles, and I saw a brand new pair of these and they had a lot more tread on them. So I think they're lying. They drove a little bit more, but there's still a good amount of tread left on here. I could use these for a couple years. You know, still plenty of tread left on here. Yeah, that's what's on here now. So we got tires, guys. We got tires for the Wrangler. Sorry guys, I know I told you that I would take you on the ride for everything we do for this, but I got the tires last minute after work. Didn't have any camera gear on me. My phone really wasn't working to record, so I just got them without recording. Sorry, but you know, I got them now. We're on 33s, we're on BF Goodrich Ko2s, and we're gonna throw these spacers on. Hopefully she looks good. Alright guys, that's it. Threw the spacers on. It's a little bit of work. Taking it from that Jeep and putting it on this one, it's a little bit of work, but god damn do I like how it looks right now. It looks so fucking good, dude. It looks so fucking dope. I'm glad I did this. Really glad I did it. So next is the leveling kit. We're gonna purchase the leveling kit here in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'll make a whole video on that. I think once we get the leveling kit, the stance of this thing will be fucking perfect. I don't want to do full lift kit yet because I want to get bigger tires when I get a lift kit. I don't want to be on 33s with a 2-inch lift. I want to be on like 35s, even 37s possibly with a 4-inch lift. So I'm holding off on the lift right now. So we're gonna get a leveling kit for now. Leveling kit I think will heighten this up a little bit. It'll give it a really good stance, and I'll be able to fully articulate if I go off-road. But after we get the leveling kit, then we'll start working on appearance-wise. We'll fix the fenders, the bumpers, headlights. We'll get some headlights. We'll paint the wheels. I want the wheels to be black, the emblems to be black. So we'll start working on appearance once I get this thing stanced out right the way I want it. I didn't want to waste my time to get to clean the fenders or get new fenders, get new bumpers, and still be on that weak fitment and those stock tires. So I wanted to get the stance and the fitment of this thing right, make it look aggressive first, and then work on that other stuff. So that's what we're going to do next. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to get more Wrangler updates and you want to get more Wrangler videos. We'll have some videos on the white Jeep soon here, I promise. I know some of y'all subscribe for that. I will have videos on that very soon. It has a problem. I ordered the part for it. It's coming in. We'll make a video on that. Other than that, I might have an off-road video coming up here soon. I'm going to try and film it the best I can and talk to you guys more. Actually show you what's on this trail and all that stuff. So look out for that soon. Might have some videos coming on the Honda too. It needs a new radiator and I'm putting speakers in it. So I'll make a video on those 2 things. Look out also for that. Yeah, make sure you subscribe for all that good content coming. Other than that, that's it, guys. That's it. That's it. I'm tired. It's hot today, actually. It's actually generally hot. It's been raining for the past week and a half, so this is actually kind of nice, but damn, am I hot right now. But my Jeep look good, though. My Jeep look good. Yeah, baby. Alright, bye. It's like they fucking know. It's like they fucking know. It's like, oh, as soon as I hit record, these fucking kids came over here. What is it, 10:30 in the morning? We out here playing basketball already?